First, I need to remove the nagashi on the inside because the nails are hard to see. I check where the nails are and only remove the mud wall around the cutting area. The easiest way to do this is by slicing through with a chainsaw. There's a Japanese phrase for this, cut and drop. Once you cut, it drops right away. I'm sure building it took a lot of work, but tearing it down only takes about 10 seconds.
これが入ってて、ここに線入れると、ほら、横からこんだけだけの線を打ってある。で、首を裏に取って、こうな。
Next, I start removing the flooring. This engawa is 8.1 meters long, pretty spacious. It's old, but instead of traditional wood planks, it's covered with flooring material. They use the same 15mm thick flooring throughout the house. Usually, with an engawa, you'd expect wider or narrower planks.